So we've come to a little village called Askrigg in the Yorkshire Dales, and we're staying in Skeldale House, which in the original series of All Creatures Great and Small, this building was the vet's building. So need to just come down here. Luna's excited. That's not our place, Luna. So we're staying in the Tristan suite. I don't know how you do it. Ooh, it's tickling me. Pull. Right. Don't film the number for security. I'll cover it. What are you supposed to do?
It's going well. It's going well. These are for old people.
All
Why
right.
can't you do it?
I've done it. Right, got the keys. The Tristan suite.
Got them out first time.
Tricky woo. Right, which keys for which? Oh, is it not this door then? It's neither key is going to fit in there. Do you think it's to the front, around the front? It's because I think it's a listed building or something, so they can't have all those safes on the front because it'll spoil the look. I'll look it up after. There is a reason, because it says it. Right, so I think we're on the second floor. Oh, look at this staircase. Look at the balustrade. Come on then, Luna. Tristan suite. Why can't we get in anywhere, Luna? Turns the opposite way. Oh, very nice.
Got the coffee machine.
John Lewis one.
Wonder if there's any coffee.
Hopefully. Well, there's dishwasher tablets. They have got an oven. Recycling. Keep your nose out, Luna. Fridge. Oh, and there is a freezer at the top. That's good. Do you want to make some ice cubes? Oh yeah, I've got tea and coffee. Toaster. Oh, I'll have to have a look out of the window in a minute. Well, all the furniture and everything is in keeping with the character of the place. Nice old wardrobe. My nana used to have wardrobes like this, his and hers, that you could lock.
Look at the size of the TV.
Oh, I didn't even notice the TV. Nice. Not that we'll be watching much TV. Little, what is it, an oil
No, it's electric
heater?
That's not in keeping.
No, but maybe because it's an old building, I mean, we know with our house, it can get really cold, even though you've got your radiators. We've got cast iron radiators and it still gets cold as soon as the heating goes off. Oh, that's a lovely view. I wonder what that is up there in the distance, that light peak. That. We'll have to look it up. I'll have to have a look on the map. We'll go and check the bathroom out. Got a freestanding, well, kind of freestanding bath shower. Oh, these brass taps are nice. I didn't realise, I didn't read it properly before we came. You get all your toiletries, your wash stuff.
How many do you think you'd be able to get in the shower?
Oh, 8?
How many would Tim say?
I'd say 8 people in that shower. 8 people my size.
Tim loves loads of people in the shower.
He does love loads of people in the shower. If you don't know who we're talking about Walk With Me Tim. Wherever he goes, he likes to imagine how many people he can fit in the shower. The tiles are really nice, and this nice edging matches all the taps in the shower head nicely. It's very nicely done. Oh, and a robe. It's lovely and warm. I like this headboard, the wood panelling that they've done. That's a nice touch. And it's like corduroy. And the headboard.
What do you think to the colour?
It's nice. It's like a dark plum. It looks different on the camera. I don't know whether it'll pick it up properly. Yeah, it's like a really deep plum colour. Goes nice with all the light fittings and socket. Over the road, there's a bakery as well, like a cafe and bakery, like slap bang across the road. So we'll definitely go and get a coffee and a pastry in the morning. Oh, not another door we can't get into. Ironing board. Plenty of hanging space. When you're only here for the weekend, you don't need much, do you? Oh, hairdryer. I've brought my hairdryer. Oh, that's a shame. I suppose it'll be an old piece of furniture, won't it? Old, well loved. Look, you can see like all the ring marks on it. There's a few antique shops in Hawes actually. I wonder if this is where it's come from. There was about 3 or 4, wasn't there? So, oh, they've even got USB sockets as well, which is nice. So, the only thing is, when I book places, I book this through booking.com, the 2 filters I have on my search is, oh, excuse me, dog friendly and parking. And it's not really got parking. Over the road there's a church and there's some parking spaces outside, which when we originally drove through the village, every space was taken up. So we went out for a couple of hours, came back, and there is a couple of spaces there now. So it's not, I mean, it's on the road, this building, so there won't be a parking space here. But if it's busy, you're not going to get parked. Do you like it, Luna? Where are you going to sleep? Hey?
There.
There.
That's your bed.
Next to our bed. Is that where you're going? Yes, she's a good girl. She loves going on holiday. That lighting's nice in the kitchen. There was I don't know what you call that kind of lighting. You'll know.
Strip lighting.
I was going to say strip lighting, but then I thought of those industrial ceiling strip lights.
LED strip lights. If you do come to Hawes, there's a lovely circular walk you can go on. Takes you up past Hard Draw Force. You just follow the red arrow. It's not just
Yeah, look, there's a couple of pubs here on
not just wasted.
on the route.
Oh yeah, I never spotted them. It's like a pub crawl. It's really easy. You just come to the corner of the car park, follow the red arrows that are all the way around. It's really well signposted, so it's easy not to get lost.
Unless you're me.
Although Victoria's having a good go at it.
Already.
So when you get to the pub, the Green Dragon, you turn right, and then there's a sign on the left for the waterfall. Go through the cafe, pay £4 each. So when you get to the top, just before you get to Simonstone Hall, don't forget to look on your left, see if you can spot and say hello to the peacocks and the piggies. So follow the red arrow through all the millions of stiles and work your way back down towards Hawes. When you get to this lovely little bridge, you know you're pretty much there though.
So another place you can visit while you're staying here is Askrigg Falls. It's about 4.5 miles away, and there's a public footpath literally at the back of Skeldale House where we're staying. So that's where we're off to today. Don't forget to grab some snacks for the route from the bakery over the road, the Bakewell.